Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you make the best decisions when it comes to home products. Today, we're looking at one of the best hinge door stops available on the market, the SUNTAI 24-pack Hinge Pin Black Door Stopper. If you're looking for a way to protect your doors and walls from damage, this is the solution you need. The SUNTAI Hinge Pin Door Stopper is an adjustable, heavy-duty door stopper made of durable materials including plastic, metal, rubber, and zinc. This combination ensures that the product is strong enough to withstand daily use while providing excellent protection for your doors and walls. It's designed to prevent those annoying slamming doors that can lead to wall dents and door damage. The black rubber bumper tips not only provide a solid cushion but also blend seamlessly with most home decor, especially if you have other black accessories. What makes this product stand out is its ease of installation. Unlike other door stops that require drilling, the SUNTAI Hinge Pin Door Stopper is designed for fuss-free installation. Simply remove the hinge pin from your door, slide the pin into the doorstop, and then place it back into the hinge. It's that simple. No tools, no mess, and you're ready to go in just a few minutes. The adjustable design also ensures that the door stopper can be tailored to your needs. You can turn the threaded screw to adjust the angle and find the perfect position to keep your door from damaging the wall. Whether you're installing it on a bedroom, bathroom, or living room door, it's a versatile option that works with various door types. This product comes in a pack of 24, so you get plenty of stoppers to use throughout your home. It's perfect for families, busy households, or even if you're looking to add a thoughtful housewarming gift for friends. And since it's made of high-quality materials, you can be confident it will last for a long time. The sleek matte black finish adds a modern touch to your home while blending effortlessly with any decor. And with the plastic ring that prevents friction between the hinge and the doorstop, you don't have to worry about extra wear and tear on your hinges over time. In conclusion, the SUNTAI Hinge Pin Black Door Stopper is an affordable, easy-to-install, and effective solution to protect your doors and walls from damage. With its durable construction, adjustable design, and sleek matte black finish, it's the perfect addition to any home. If you want the best protection for your doors, this is the product to go for. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations.